Want to earn money by just answering a few questions? Yes, you heard right. Welcome to the world of Zap Surveys, a leading platform in the market research community. Imagine having the power to earn real cash simply by sharing your opinions. A few taps on your device, and voila, you're earning. And the best part? It's all at your convenience anytime, anywhere. With Zap Surveys, you can start earning today right from your home. Sounds good, doesn't it? Getting started with Zap Surveys is as simple as 1, 2, 3. First things first, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's a breeze. You can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Prefer to use your email? No problem, that's an option too. Once you've chosen your preferred method and entered your details, you're all set and ready to go. But wait, there's more. Just for signing up, Zap Surveys gives you a bonus. Yes, you heard that right. You'll earn your first $2 just by taking the Welcome Survey. It's a quick and easy questionnaire designed to help Zap Surveys understand you better, so they can match you with the most relevant and rewarding surveys. And there you have it. You're now officially a Zapper, and you've already earned your first $2. Just like that, you've earned your first $2. Now let's move on to the fun part. Now that you're all set up, it's time to start earning real cash. With Zap Surveys, you have a buffet of options to choose from. You could opt for daily surveys and snag a bonus on a selected survey every day. Or perhaps interest surveys are more your pace. Take surveys about topics you're passionate about. For those looking to rake in the big bucks, high-paying surveys are the way to go. And for those always on the move, short surveys will reward you in a matter of minutes. Last but not least, location surveys are designed to be high-earning and relevant just for you. The best part? Zap Surveys is transparent about the exact dollar amount you'll earn before you even start a survey. No guessing games here. Choose the surveys that suit you best and watch your earnings grow. Earning is fun, but cashing out is even better. Once you've accumulated your earnings through Zap Surveys, you can easily convert them to cold, hard cash. With a variety of options at your disposal, it's as simple as clicking a few buttons. You can choose PayPal if you prefer to have your money sent directly to your account, or perhaps a Visa gift card is more your style. For the online shoppers among us, Amazon gift cards are also a fantastic option. Now, you might be wondering about the minimum cash out amount. Well, you'll be pleased to know it's a mere $10. That's right, just $10, and you can start reaping the rewards of your time and effort. And the best part? Most rewards are sent within a business day of your cash out. That's it. You're now ready to start earning with Zap Surveys. Excited to start your earning journey with Zap Surveys? There's a world of opportunities waiting for you and a hefty $2 welcome bonus to kickstart your earnings. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your free time into real cash. Download the Zap Surveys app, sign up, and watch your earnings grow. Remember, every survey counts and every dollar matters. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting ways to earn online. Until next time, happy earning.